Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about what happens after a crypto pre-sale. If you watched our last video in the series, I talked and taught you guys what a crypto pre-sale was, and I give you an example of a good one versus a bad one and different projects you can invest in. Today, we're going to be talking about the event of what happens when a crypto pre-sale ends. We're going to talk about the claims. We're going to talk about all the little logistics in play to make sure you reap the most of your rewards. But before I start the video, I do want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So, what happens when a crypto pre-sale ends? Have you ever been to an amusement park at the front of a line of a brand new shiny roller coaster? The ride is about to start and there's an exciting mix of anticipation, nerves, and maybe a touch of what did I get myself into? You can imagine all that. That's pretty much what happens when a crypto pre-sale ends. Again, I couldn't phrase that better myself. The pre-sale period is like the waiting line, full of opportunity and potential. But when the pre-sale wraps up, it's times where things start to get really interesting. So what do you expect when the pre-sale doors close? The tokens obviously are going to hit the market. Now, two things that happen. Sometimes, in some cases, a pre-sale could have a centralized exchange listing right off the rip, which could be great. Sometimes it takes time as you go on decentralized exchange listings. There's a lot of possibilities that play out when the pre-sale ends. So when you buy a crypto pre-sale, but you don't know where to start, you listen to certain crypto experts like Alex Popa, and you get recommended to buy some crypto pre-sales. You find the tokens seem perfect to you. They're not live yet in the market. The most intimidating thing is what happens when a crypto pre-sale ends. A token is going live into the market. When you've been waiting for since the moment you bought your crypto, you're finally able to trade, buy, or sell tokens on exchange. During the pre-sale, tokens are usually sold at a discounted price. That's why a lot of people buy it. The value of the token might shoot up, reflecting excitement and demand. It might take more moderate path or even dip a little. It all depends on various factors like investor confidence, so on and so forth. Now, in terms of lockup periods, if you did stake, you might have to lock. At that point, you obviously can't sell until your lockup is unlocked. And then the marketing push. Usually when a project goes live, the team's going to push it to the market. This causes the pricing for the pre-sale to pump, or not pre-sale at this point, because now the project is live. The more marketing push they do, the bigger the project you get, the more investors you get on board, the bigger upside for the project. And then exchange listings. Another grand milestone could be post pre-sale is getting listed on major crypto exchanges. It's like graduating from minor leagues into the big leagues. While during pre-sales, the token might have already been directly from the project. Getting listed on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken open up token to a much larger pool of potential investors. Now, price volatility. This is where things get wild. When projects go live, whales could potentially dump their holdings, right? The price roller coaster is often referred to pump and dump, which artificially inflates and then rapidly falls when people start selling. It's not always as dramatic as it sounds, but volatility is part of the game when it comes to crypto. So again, the price volatility is definitely going to be there. People are going to buy, people are going to sell, and then development and updates. As the project continues to develop and update, it's going to obviously reflect in the price. The side of community building, this is a massive part, especially in crypto meme coins. The stronger community gets, the more likely it is that the holders are not going to be selling. So that helps with the price stability and less volatility as they continue to build their community. And a long-term vision, does a project have a long-term vision, or is it intended just to be for shits and giggle, for lack of better words? Is it just a pure meme coin, right? Obviously, projects with longer-term vision are going to have more stable growth, whereas a project that's a meme about, for example, the Trump dinner, like realistically speaking, a year from now, are people going to be wanting to invest in a coin titled Trump dinner? Like, the relevancy is obviously going to matter, so that plays a role when buying in. Then a chapter, the start of another. So there you have it. While the crypto pre-sale ends, it's the beginning of a whole new adventure. From market volatility to exchange listings, there's no short of action. If you're an early investor in the pre-sale, it's a cue to buckle up, hold tight, and enjoy the ride. Just remember, the crypto roller coaster isn't for the faint of hearts. A beautiful article that we kind of skimmed through. Now, last time we covered 3 crypto pre-sales. Again, I'm going to bring back those same 2 pre-sales again, Mind of Pep and Salaxy, and we're going to take advantage of these pre-sales because this pre-sale is actually ending in 6 days. Mind of Pep, the AI agent, is also offering a 224% stake in reward. And there's also Salaxy, pre-sale ending in 22 days. Now, when this pre-sale goes live, that's usually the day where you'll be able to actually claim your tokens, right? It will say, when can I claim? You can claim your stake tokens and the pre-sale purchase after the token generation event. This event coincides while the official listing of Solex on centralized and decentralized exchanges. So again, basically, when the project goes live, you could therefore claim your tokens, and that's going to be your first step. If you're staking and you decide to unstake, you're going to have to wait for the lockup period to end to unstake, and then you're able to buy, or not buy, but at this point, you're able to sell your tokens, okay? So These are two great examples. Again, same with long-term as well. AI agent, Mind of Pep, a strong narrative. Same with Solaxi. Now this one is even more long-term focused because it's bringing layer 2 solutions to Solana. Okay, but before we wrap this up, let's actually go through these projects briefly, but in depth, so one at a time. Let's go through Mind of Pep. Mind of Pep is a crypto ICO project, like I said, ending in 6 days. They've raised just over $10 million on pre-sale. And again, they've almost raised over $9 million, or no, $1 million since the last time we covered it, which is pretty solid. So essentially this one gives you real-time intelligence with hive and mind analysis. So essentially the mind, the crypto AI agent is scouring the webs and bringing information back to the holder. That's the unique utility for this. So there you can see they can build a strong and solid community behind this. It offers good utility. It has a good name. It could be timeless. Again, as pepe coin continues to grow, Mind of Pep leveraging the AI persona as well as leveraging the pepe narrative. So again, a pretty solid play. If you want to buy into this one, you buy the card or crypto directly from the website, and I'll link this in the description below. Okay, then there's Solaxi, which is a layer 2 project. Essentially, they're gonna help Solana become better, right? In lack of better words, in simple words, I should say. So Solaxi's next evolution in layer 2 technology, delivering epic customizations, efficiency, and performance, and neutralize Solana pain points like network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations, while amplifying the strengths of Solana. Now, this pre-sale is ending in 22 days, and they raised over $40 million in the pre-sale. So you see a lot of whale attention here, and they also have launching on major exchange listings in the books, which basically means a fancy term of saying that they're already in contact with exchange listings, meaning when the project goes live, they're going to have a shorter period where it's going to be listed onto an exchange. So again, pretty solid there. Again, you can buy with card or crypto directly from the website, and I'll link this in the description below. Now guys, that wraps the video. Remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now guys, that wraps the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.